don't worry, although it does seem a bit scary, and trust me, it is.
Your attention, please.
What is shaking? Good morning, guys. It is absolutely beautiful out. We've got our coffee. We got to sit in front of the Wizard of Braz. And if you don't know what that is,
Are you a Disney fan?
yeah, not too big of a Disney fan. But Wizard of Braz only lasted about 3 months when the park first opened.
And my grandma has
So,
one.
and as she just stated, her grandma has one from the Braz shop that, again, was only open for 3 months. So, anyways, we've got our coffee, we've had our breakfast, and we're off to Alice in Wonderland because we are yet to have ridden this at all. This trip, last trip, we need to ride Alice. It's one of our favorite rides. It's one of our favorite dark rides. It's just a must. And I really hope it keeps me off of teacups today. I really hope it keeps me off of teacups. So, well, that's true. We could hop right off. But the good part is we have a Indy Fast Pass at 8:30. 8:30 to 9:30. Actually likes to keep messing up the Fast Pass time. So, guys, we're off to Alice. So we'll see you down the rabbit hole.
Follow the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, look at the white rabbit. Well, have a look around.
Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. It's important things. Okay, just take care.
This would be a curious place to find a rabbit.
Lost, perchance? I'm not sure where I am either.
But wait, don't go, please.
This way. And the king.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42. The queen always wins.
With their heads! Off with their heads! Stop this!
Beautiful cake.
Don't worry, although it does seem a bit scary, and trust me, it is. It is our one-way ticket into Storybook Land. As our story begins out here, folks, we're going to look to the left where the big bad wolf lives inside a bat cave. He spent his entire life, of course, chasing after the three little pigs. Thankfully, they're right across our way here to the right, in a house made of straw, a house made of sticks, and a house made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. Down, down, and down that rabbit hole, right into Wonderland, where things only became curiouser and curiouser. And to the right will be London Park. The darling children of Peter Pan all flew over into Neverland. Looking ahead here, folks, we're going to see the marketplace of Agrabah, where street rat Aladdin bumped into Princess Jasmine and stole her heart, folks. Yes, that's why they still live upon Sultan's Palace today, married. And if you're looking for love, look no further than the doghouse. You'll see the archways and twinkling lights. Then Aladdin and Jasmine flew over, sideways, and under on their magic carpet ride into a whole new world. It said that it's cursed, that if you were to run into the genie in the lamp, he would be able to grant you 3 wishes. So as we enter this cave, let's all make a wish together, folks. To the right's going to be where Snow White fled to, being chased by the evil queen. She bumps into 7 dwarves over here, and if you listen closely, you can actually hear them whistle while they work. To the left is going to be where Cinderella grew up. She wished to go to the ball, but her wicked stepmother forbade it. Thankfully, her fairy godmother granted her the wish, and when the clock had struck midnight, her carriage actually turned into a pumpkin, which you can still see upon that bridge today, folks. Yes, happily ever after is attainable as long as you dream and wish here at Disney. Mr. Jump to our left. Oh, I am so sorry, folks. It actually looks like Jane Thaddeus Toad, isn't it, today? Looks like he's on a motor car ride into a place called Nowhere in Particular. Moving on forward, we're going to see the Kingdom of Arendelle, where I also found something more powerful than magic, the power of love. To the right will be the Alpine Village that Geppetto grew up in. He wished he had something to become a real boy, and when Pinocchio saved him from the mouth of Monstro the whale, the Blue Fairy granted him that wish. And speaking of wishes, how about the one that the Little Mermaid Ariel had wished to become part of our world and leave her life under the sea? With her newfound unsteady legs, she chased after none other than Prince Eric to the castle here coming up on our right, folks. Yes, that's where they found true love. And if you look to the left, we'll have the Kingdom of Atlantica, where they grew up.
Cool way to kick off our second day. Which way are we going? We have Alice, then we have Storybook. Then we took a ride on the carousel, tried to get jingles. If I got jingles, I would have got on. Yeah, it just didn't happen. And then we did, what, Snow White again? Snow White, we just rode it and I'm already forgetting. We did Snow White. So what a magical way to start off this day. Now we're in Frontierland. We go from Fantasy to Frontierland. And, well, we're leaving Frontierland. We're going to Adventureland because we got to ride Indy. 10-minute standby, the 10-minute walk to the front. Woo woo! Yeah, the monkeys are out noising you.
Well, repeat what I said.
I'll just think about it.
Go on in, don't stop now. Follow down.
Go, go, go.
Have a great time, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good luck.
Go, 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 go. Roo, roo, ka-choo. Woo, woo. Who remembers standing in this queue? Like when it actually used the whole queue? I do. And when this ride first opened in '95, it scared the crap out of me. Yeah, but you were born that year. I was in line when this opened.
It's a great year.
Like, and it scared the crap out of me. Like, when we hit the tunnels up here, I was like screaming. I was petrified. And then, yeah. Everybody lean. No!